Hey guys, this is Chris from SurviveNnThrive. Today I'm going to be showing you a little fire trick. It has to deal with matches. I'm going to be showing you how to take one match and turn it into two. It's a very simple thing to do. If you're ever stuck in a situation where you're running low on supplies, matches, this can just increase the length of that product for you, aka the lifespan of matches for you. So, this is my fire tin. Yeah, I know, it's obnoxiously large. I hear that all the time. The reason I do this is just because I carry multiple ways to make fire with me. I'll be going over that. I'll keep like a parabolic lens in here. I have some candles just in case. I carry a lighter. I have my char cloth. I have an old Zippo that doesn't work. It still has the flint striker and everything. That will still light. And it's metal, so I can use it as, it's shiny, so I can use it as a reflector if needed. I just have a bunch of different stuff in there, like magnification lens and all that. But what I need today, I'll be going over that later. What I need today are matches. So I have a bunch of matches in this thing. So I'm actually just gonna prop you downward so you can see this. Okay, so I'm going to be using the top of the tin just so I don't cut myself. But we have our matches. Just going to make sure you can see me. I use a GoPro, so it doesn't have a screen. I have to use my phone as a screen. So anyway, I'm just going to take out my pocket knife. I'm going to take my match that I want to duplicate. Let me get this in a nice steady position so it doesn't fall. So I have this match right here. So what I'm going to do is with my knife, I'm just going to lay the match down flat. And I'm going to take the knife and put it just below the head of the match. The tip of my blade. Just below it. And then I'm going to stand it up, my blade, so it's straight up and down. Hold on, I feel like my hand's blocking everything here. Okay, so what I did is I put my knife right here under the match head. Then I'm going to stand it straight up, and I'm just going to push the knife through the match. Now I want to show you something before I finish splitting this. Notice how the head of the match is cracked in two. It made a nice split. It's not going to be a perfect split, but it split it. So once that's done, what I'll do is I'll take my knife and I'll finish the match off. Okay, so now that I split my match and I have my two matches, as you notice, they're not full. The backs are gone. They're a full match together. I'm going to show you that they still light the same way. Now while I'm getting my the thing to strike them on, which I keep on the top of my tin, never do this on your leg, your hand, or anything wet. You do it on your leg or your hand trying to cut through with the knife, you're going to cut yourself, you're going to stab yourself, you're going to cause yourself a lot more problems than you already have. Also, if you do this on a wet object, you're going to push and soak the match in that wet, and then it's going to be pointless because you're going to waste your match. So, I'm just going to put one match here, and the other one's in my hand. So with this, to strike these, I usually put my thumb, since the stick they're on is usually thinner, I put my thumb on the back of the head, and I'll just, and you notice, lit my match. Just put that out. I'm just going to spit on it so I can put it down so it's not hot. Alright, and now I got my other match. And I lit that one. Okay guys, I'm just going to show a close-up of me actually popping the match, putting the blade through it. I'll do it on this side so you can see the match better. Okay guys, so I showed you how to turn one match into two today. It's just a little trick you can use when you're out camping or something. Make sure you practice splitting the matches before you go out and do it so you don't end up doing stuff like this. I just did this as a demonstration just to show you how to split it off, or what happens. It will split off. You can still use this. If this happens to me, I'll usually take a back end of the match and I'll take some tape and put it there, or some little twine or anything I have, just to keep it there to make it a little stronger so it has something to burn too once you light it. So that's how to turn two matches into one. If you have any questions regarding that, feel free to email me. My email will be in the description below, as always. I'll try to get back to you within 24 hours if possible. Other than that, thanks for checking out my channel. Thanks for watching my videos, all your support, and hope to see you around.